Can you, in Arabic?
هل يمكنك؟
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, ready to sound politely powerful in Arabic? Let's kick this off with a smile and a tiny bit of comedy. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to real-world language. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, bonus drills, and smiles. Today's hero phrase is can you. That's
هل يمكنك؟
say it once, and doors open like magic. Warm-up laugh. A giant can rolls by and whispers, I can you can. In Arabic it's
هل يمكنك؟
your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for help clearly, kindly, and confidently. Goal. Use.
هل يمكنك؟
In everyday travel moments. Polite booster. Start with
من فضلك.
please. Upgrade. Could you. As.
هل تستطيع؟
Beware the false friend.
ممكن.
Means possible, useful, but not the same as can you. Question mark single quote dot. Forms and polite add-ons. Let's build bite-size phrases you can drop into any situation. Please, can you help me?
من فضلك، هل يمكنك مساعدتي؟
Can you open the window?
هل يمكنك فتح النافذة؟
Keywords.
فتح.
Open.
نافذة.
Window. Can you show me the way?
هل يمكنك أن تدلني على الطريق؟
Vocab.
الطريق.
The way, road. Could you take a photo for me?
هل تستطيع التقاط صورة لي؟
Mini dialogue. Jump into a friendly street scene, tourist meets local, and you play the star. You, excuse me.
من فضلك.
Can you help me?
هل يمكنك مساعدتي؟
Local. Sure, what do you need? You, can you show me the way to the museum?
هل يمكنك أن تدلني على الطريق إلى المتحف؟
Local. Absolutely. Walk straight, then turn left at the giant camel statue. No promises on the camel. You, also, could you open the window? It's warm.
هل يمكنك فتح النافذة؟
Local. With pleasure. You, if it's easier, could you?
هل تستطيع؟
Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and your tongue will follow. Say it in 4 beats. Hal, yum, ki, nu ka.
هل يمكنك؟
Clap on beat 1 and 3. Call and echo. I say, can you? You answer.
هل يمكنك؟
Soft polite start.
من فضلك.
Plus.
هل يمكنك؟
Plus action word, like.
فتح.
Try it. Speed drills. Rapid fire practice, short, punchy, unforgettable. Say, can you help me?
هل يمكنك مساعدتي؟
Say, please, can you show me the way?
من فضلك، هل يمكنك أن تدلني على الطريق؟
Say, could you open the window?
هل تستطيع فتح النافذة؟
Say, is it possible? Different meaning.
ممكن.
Say, could you call me tomorrow?
هل يمكنك الاتصال بي غدا؟
Culture tip. Politeness opens doors, sometimes literally. In many Arabic-speaking contexts, begin with a polite marker like
من فضلك.
or.
لو سمحت.
Then ask your question with
هل يمكنك؟
or the softer.
هل تستطيع؟
A friendly tone plus clear wording, like
هل يمكنك أن تدلني على الطريق؟
gets warm, helpful replies. Quick quiz. Test yourself, no pressure, just progress. Multiple choice. Can you? In Arabic is A. Please. B.
هل يمكنك؟
C. Tomorrow. Answer. B. True or false.
ممكن.
Equals, can you? Question mark single quote dot. Answer. False. It means possible. Fill the blank.
من فضلك، شرطة سفلية شرطة سفلية شرطة سفلية شرطة سفلية فتح النافذة.
Answer.
هل يمكنك؟
Translate. Could you show me the road?
هل تستطيع أن تدلني على الطريق؟
Challenge of the day. Use your new superpower 3 times today. At a window. Please, can you open the window?
من فضلك، هل يمكنك فتح النافذة؟
On the street. Can you show me the way?
هل يمكنك أن تدلني على الطريق؟
On the phone. Could you send the location?
هل تستطيع إرسال الموقع؟
Bonus humor. If a robot answers, say, great, I can. Then repeat.
هل يمكنك؟
With a smile. Synapse lingo goodbye. You did great, keep the momentum going. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Practice your phrases, share a smile, and you'll get friendly help everywhere. For more lessons, drills, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.
هل يمكنك؟
Keep practicing? Yes, you can.